Morning Keithel-Athokpam, Thoubal, Manipur. Every morning at Athokpam, Thoubal, the road wakes up before the people do. Women and men set up small stalls, leafy green, bamboo shoots, herbs, local trees. This is the Morning Keithel, a simple roadside market, but a lifeline for many families. A Muslim fish seller arranging fresh fish, a tribal woman weighing vegetables, a Meitei man cutting meat. Here people from different communities, Meiteis, Muslim, tribal, come together, not just to sell, but to support each other. Fresh fish on trays, bright vegetables, meat, spices, local, everything you need for the day begins here. Friendly smile, bargaining, laughter. The charm of Morning Keithel is not just in what they sell, but is the warmth of their daily life. Athokpam Morning Keithel, simple, vibrant, and full of life. Every sunrise brings hopes, and every sale supports a family.